Imagine waking up every morning with a clear plan to profit from the financial news, no matter what the market throws at you. In this video, we'll explore a proven strategy that's generating consistent profits for traders like you. Many traders struggle to adapt to the ever-changing market environment. But what if you could unlock a system that capitalizes on the market's reaction to economic news? This is exactly what the How to Trade the News strategy is all about. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create a reliable trading plan that generates profits from the economic calendar. So what is the economic calendar? It's a list of upcoming economic events, such as interest rate decisions, GDP releases, and inflation reports that can significantly impact the market. Traders use this information to position themselves ahead of time, anticipating how the market will react to the news. The key is to identify the right events, understand their potential impact, and develop a clear strategy to trade them.